for the safety and water sports, especially surfing and stand-up paddleboard surfing, and the chart and checking out the wind and the wave is very important. So when surfing session, it's not easy for leisure or tour stand-up paddleboard. Only surfing is strong wind and also the waves high. Um, Usually I review on the waves and the charts from WindyGuru or Windfinder and to check out. This is the old version of the surfing spot Malipo. So from Saturday to Monday, that means about 9 days chart is available. So can see that the chart here. You can see the upload Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. And then also the wind speed meter per sec or knots. Knots means one knot equals 0.514 meter per sec. So, and 5 meter per second means 10 knots. So, and we can figure out. And about 4 meter per sec is a little bit strong in the for stand-up paddleboard. But the surfing, it doesn't matter. It depends on the wind direction is very important because wind direction is the arrow. And for arrow, today, Saturday, from north to the east, and it means, and the wind is northwest wind. Northwest wind, it the wind northwest when the northwest wind blows, and then 7 meter per sec, and is strong wind, and also the waves is very choppy. So and then wave is very choppy. The period of waves and then not good. Just 4 seconds is a period. So and then 5 seconds, yeah, and there 6 seconds or 7 seconds in at Malipo Beach, it will be good. It will be good for that. And then during the weekday, about 9 days, keep strong wind because the wind from the north and the north, the wind quality of wind is very cold wind. So it means quickly and then seaside and then little bit getting cold. And then so in the autumn season, the wind from the north is very cold because of it from the Siberia or the far away, and then the air just comes, and it means the air is very cold and nighttime is very longer there, and the seasoning is from the autumn to the winter, and then now still October. And the waves high, checking out waves high today, waves high about 1 meter, and it's good for surfing, but the very period is not good. But I'm trying to do. Tomorrow will be good, the 6 second, and also it depends on and the wind direction is about east or northeast. So, and then the wind direction is good because it means the wind direction is offshore. Offshore means and waves is very smooth. So, and tomorrow will be good for surfing and knowing about the chart and then knowing about and how the waves come and then with the chart, and also one of the important thing is the tide. Well, tide is very effective, right? Now there's wind group, there is no tide, no tide. So and then uh, we can use not only wind group but also the chart from other sites. For example, I can share the chart here and the sea time, other time. and for um, this chart show, and today morning is low tide, and 2 p.m. 2:31 is high tide, and also mm, the height of the water from low tide to high tide is 4 meters. So knowing about and then the current and then the about the tide. So here in the port side, there's the waves not here, not real. So and then using WindyGuru is better. And then um that 23 Thursday is the wave period is almost 5 seconds. It's very rare. It means at Malbo Beach, the wave is very, very, according to WindyGuru, it's according to WindyGuru, and then it will be good. And then the period is about 9 seconds, 8 seconds. It means a very, very uh, good waves come, but the strong wind. But the wind is from northeast. It means it's very desirable wind from offshore wind. Offshore, the different age, so the wind direction is very, very important. So when waves big and I mean that the wind is big, wind is strong. It's not time for stand-up paddle, but it's time for surfing. So and then not only surfing but also stand-up paddle surfing available for this beach side. And then so and then the option to enjoy stand-up paddleboarding, surfing is one of the options for um, enjoyable with when the wind is strong. So wind is not strong, very calm, enjoyable stand-up paddle tour and leisure. These are the options. Now I can copy what I put here about one page for SEN program, safety enjoyment for club members. I can use AI. In English, make content of how to make sure the chart from WindyGuru to check out and then surfing the waves, the wind direction, and photo safety and what we can choose for water sports, especially the wind is strong, and then surfing is a good option for water sports. And after proof reading it, then adding, I can get some content from here. I use these four um, make content with the notebook element. The information is very, very good about the translate into Korean and Vietnamese about, and then I can share with these contents on my club cafe. Okay, required. Okay, well, and then I start.